Hello, and in this video today I'm going to be running over our carpet cleaning process. Now for ease of the video I'm going to be using a 100% wool rug. Now you can see from the video there's a lot of coffee stains on there, juice stains and pet hair as well, and we do need to remove the pet hair before we can carry on with the cleaning process. So that's the first step, removing kind of all the dry soil from the carpet. This is done with a commercial grade vacuum cleaner. It has a beta bar on it, so it gets right down into the carpet pile and does an excellent job. You can see from the video it's removing all the pet hair with absolute ease. The next stage of the cleaning process is to pre-treat any stains on the carpet. So what we're going to be doing now is treating one of the coffee stains which is currently on there. So this is done by spraying some of our own branded spotter on there, and all we're doing now is just blotting it off. That coffee stain's been on there for around 2 days. And it was black coffee which went down. It didn't have any milk in, and you can see there's been a fair bit which has already come off with little effort, so that's proof that it was worth doing. Now it's time to apply the preconditioner to the carpet. Now this breaks down any residual soils and contaminants, which is extremely important, as you can probably appreciate. Now the particular pre-spray we're using doesn't contain any detergents or soap, doesn't leave a residue, and that's the same for all of our products, and it's completely non-toxic and child and pet friendly. Again, that applies to all our products as well. It's also antibacterial, which is great, especially if you have children as well. Now what we're going to be doing here is agitating it in. So it's all very well just spraying it on the surface, the preconditioner, but obviously if it's not agitated in, then the rest of the carpet deep down isn't going to get cleaned, which isn't great. So we're going to go backwards and forwards, and also left and right as well. The reason we do this is so it gives completely even coverage. So there's no point going backwards and forwards and then calling it a day. It's got to go backwards, forwards, left, right, etc., etc. to give the best result. So whilst the preconditioner is dwelling, what we're going to do is, to save time, we're going to fill up the machine. Now this is done with, 9 times out of 10, it's done with cold water. There's no need for any heat, there's no need for any other chemicals in the rinse at all, because the actual cleaning process was done previously. So with the vacuuming, with the pre-treatment of the stains, with the pre-spray, with the agitation, etc. That's the cleaning stage of this. This is just extracting what's left in there, if you like. So what you can see now, we're going round the edge of the carpet. So let's say if this was in your lounge, for example, we would go around the edges with a detailing tool. The reason we do this is so that there's not any carpet which is missed during the process. Now you can see that while I've been doing this on the video, you can see that I do a wet pass and then a dry pass. So like we've got here, that's the wet pass that's going on at the moment. And it will stop in a second. Okay, and that's the dry pass there. So that's just really to get up any residual moisture in the carpet, and it just aids drying times really. So here you can see me grooming the carpet. The reason I'm doing this is to, as you can clearly see, to aid the appearance of the carpet, but also to open up the pile. This aids drying times. In addition to that, we always have a fan running as well after we've done the works. This just accelerates the drying times. It's not necessary, but it just accelerates it. If you've got any further questions, please get in touch. But there are some other articles on the website which you can have a look at. The link is in the description below, but if you've got any queries, please get in touch through the contact form or via phone, which is available on our website. Thank you for watching.